welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you see from the title, this is my top 5 picks from my fragrance tray. As you know, for the month of June, I have been doing actually a theme for the entire month so far. I will continue on throughout the year to do a theme tray. But this month, I did a purple tray because, hello, my favorite color is purple, and so I wanted to do that for my birthday month and really had fun. Okay, I was really kind of nervous about the purple tray, I will be honest with you, just because purple has this, or purple fragrances, purple bottles and a fragrance kind of has this distinct smell, and it smells like purple or kind of gives you grapes, or I just can't put my hand on how purple smells, but you know, like purple just has a smell when you're like going through your bottles. So I was a little nervous. I was like, oh, am I going to be smelling the same throughout the month? But no, it actually has done me well. So I'm going to start with the highlight of all highlights. And I just talked about this and I got a compliment, and I was in the car, okay? Coffee shop, I was in the car, the drive-thru, and got a compliment. And this is My Way. My way. My way, what I say goes, I'm in control. Okay, anyway, we're not doing Usher, but My Way from giorgioarmani. Oh my goodness, this was such a hit, and I did not know it was this big of a hit. And I not only got compliments from her, I've been in class, I got compliments there. Oh, it's just so good. But it does have this like purpley smell when you first initial spray. But you can smell the white florals. It has bitter orange in here. So my girlies that like a good citrus, like it has a bitter orange in here. It has some like musk. Ooh, I love this. Okay, I just can't. I love this. It has iris in this, I believe. I think it has a woody note in here. So good, so good. I would highly recommend if you have My Way. It does work out in this hot heat summer. It really did my body good. I enjoyed this. This was like the standout. Out of all of my fragrances I have, this projected. This was the standout. It was so good, and you know, you just always don't expect those things from a designer realm, but sometimes you get the gems, right? A lot of times, right? More times than not, right? Sometimes you get some gems in there, and this is one of them. It's so good. I enjoyed it. Highly would recommend if you are looking for a really good citrus, but white floral, but has a little bit of a depth, you know? It just doesn't sit on that mountain of citrus, right? It does give you a very in-depth type of fragrance, and I loved it, enjoyed it. 10 out of 10 recommend, okay? Moving on. Next, this was a very good, easy reach, everyday type of fragrance for me. I did not wear this every day, but you all know, like working from home, like this was a really good spa, easy reach fragrance. Enjoyed it so much. Like it broke off that like purpley smell that I was getting sometimes in some of my fragrances, and it gave me more of a spa herbal fresh smell. And this was Indigo. I love this. This is from Ness. Do you all have this? If you don't, and you're into like a spa, like a spa green type of land, right? And those lands aren't always good lands. You know, when I mention green, it's not always a good land, but this one, it's like a sweeter green, right? It's not the grassy running through the forest green. It is so good and spa-like and so soothing and comforting, and I really enjoyed this. I really had a good time with this. This really lasted about I would say about 4-ish hours. Almost trying to hit the 5 mark, but I really did spray really good. But again, I didn't get compliments. I was in the house most of the time with this, but when I say relaxation, relaxing, it was all the things, okay? It was amazing. I absolutely enjoyed this 100%. But no, I would recommend, if you're looking for a Nest fragrance or an easy reach fragrance that gives you this spa-like, and if you haven't had a good time with spa-like fragrances, like me, like your sis, I would try this. This is so good. Highly recommend. It gives you this sweetness and spa-ness at the same time. Really good, okay? I would recommend you add this to your cart. You can get this on Sephora and add this to your collection, all right? Moving on. Next up, we have the fun bubblegum queen girl, and that is Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. Oh my goodness, I had a good time with this. Are you all having a good time with your bottle? If you have kayali, you might not have kayali, but if you like a good bubblegum type of fragrance, so very fun, very festival, very celebration, playful, little cutesy girl. Like, this is really good for all of those things. If you have a party to go to, an outside event that might be a festival or a carnival, I would highly recommend this. This is so good. Great playful fragrance. I enjoyed. It is definitely also an easy reach to me, right? Because I feel like this one doesn't scream like bubblegum all day, every day, and it doesn't settle. This does settle down from that bubblegum note. And it really gives you this warm vanilla in the dry down. So I would highly recommend this. This is definitely a easy reach fragrance, and you can layer this with all different types of fragrances. So she's a good layering buddy. Of course, it's kayali, right? But I don't know if it was the candy pear in this or the violet, but that bubblegum, she the star of the show. She's knocking them down, okay? So again, a great bubblegum type of note fragrance. Was kayali, had to be on my top 5 because I was reaching for her. I did pretty good, okay? I've been trying to do better. Moving on. Next up, we have my pineapple pina colada type of note, drink type of fragrance, okay? This is a cocktail in a bottle. This is Ice Star, Angel Ice Star by Mugler. This is so pretty, okay? Cocktail, fruit bowl, all the things and more. And it's a great fragrance. This, if you are looking for a good fruity fragrance, this is it, right? This is so good. Like, you could drink this. If I could, I would drink this, but don't drink this. Please don't drink this. You are an adult. Don't drink this. But you know what I'm saying. Like, this is very cocktail pina colada, very beachy, very fun, flirty, okay? This is like a little cute flirt, okay? She ain't like a dominant flirt, but she's a little cute first. She a fun, she a good time. She's like a kayali, good times, fun times, okay? But very good in the summer. So if you're looking for a good fruity fragrance that's gonna have that blast of fruit, this is what you want, okay? We got some pineapple in here. It's so pretty. I don't even know if you can still get this. I hope, but maybe not, because you know how Angel Mugler, they be like in and out, so you got to get in when the getting is good. But hopefully they brought it back. I don't know if you can find it, but if you have it in your collection, pull it out because it was a part of my tray and I really enjoyed it for my birthday month. It was cute, okay? And I was trying to definitely be that cute girl, okay? It's my birthday. Even though I had a moment of breakdown, right? You know, getting up in age, you're trying to think of like the things that you wanted to do in life and where you are. So I had a little moment of meltdown, but I'm giving myself grace, as I've been saying, right? So I perked up, so I'm much better now, but there was a moment. There was a moment for me. But I also wanted to talk about one of my other top 5 from my tray, which is Cavort, okay, from fragrancedubois. Now, I did not know about this. I was like, oh, Amber, why are you pulling this out? This is going to be too heavy. This is just going to be too much. Like, your people are going to be like, stop the madness. It's too hot for this. And you're going to even say that to yourself. You're going to say, stop the madness, girl. It's too hot for yourself, okay? But y'all, this was really good and surprised me. This was a winner, okay? This is what I wore for my birthday. I did just go to the theater to see Bad Boys. I've told you all that. But, you know, I kept it real cute on my birthday because I had just got back from a trip. I actually just got back from seeing Janet Jackson. So I've been having a good time, you know, a good birthday month. But on my birthday, it was a Sunday. I kept it real cute and chill. I went to the movies, but I decided to wear Miss Cavort. And I was like, oh, Amber, you're going to be next to people. You know, it's just going to be too much. But this was so good. Honey, I was smelling good. I questioned her, but I no longer will question her. She is for a good time. And even though it has like this oudness in it, she is still for a good time because it gives me like a santal type of woodiness. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. Even in this hot heat, it is good, sis. Like, I had a ball. I was doubting her, but I shouldn't doubt her as much. Now, I don't like overspray this, or I did not overspray this, just because I knew I was going to be next to people, but it still project. I still smelled good. I smelled fresh and clean and projecting. Like, this is not what you think would be a fresh clean, but it has kind of this spa-ness in it that gives me this like woody, spa-like type of, I can't explain it. And it's just on my body. You might not be experiencing what I'm experiencing. Hello. That's quite all right? But I get this fresh spa-like, which worked, right? For the hot heat. I enjoyed this. This was one of my surprising moments. On my tray, I was like, girl, you just doing too much because the label is purple. You just want to put it on there and it's not going to be, it was good. So this is a good signature scent. So this will work all year round to me. I mean, I think you dial back on different seasons on the spray. Okay. I think your spray performance is a little different, but the performance in this can fit all seasons. I love this. This was really good. Very surprising, but had to be on my top 5. Now, I normally don't do this, but there was a fragrance that I was truly disappointed in that was on my tray. And I was like, I don't want to do a separate video. Let me just bring it on this video, right? I probably would have time. I've been doing better with my time. Right? But I wanted to tell you all about one that I was really disappointed in. And I would say I wasn't disappointed in the smell. So, and you'll be probably surprised, but it was the houseofsillage. I know. It's Minnie Mouse from the 100th anniversary collection of Minnie Mouse. Like, you all know, like, I love a good house of sillage. I love Minnie Mouse. I love this. I love this packaging. Let's talk about that. Like, I love this purple packaging. It is so pretty. I love the smell of Minnie Mouse. I love the smell. So I'm not talking about the smell. The smell is so beautiful. Oh, and to me, it gives this like this grape. It gives like a purple kind of fizziness. It's like, it gives me this fizziness of purpleness. Like a purple soda or something. Like it has this kind of sparkling thing that it does in this. But I will say the disappointing thing that I have with this is the lasting power of this. Oh my goodness. I felt like this did not last long at all. Maybe 2 to 3. And I had to dig my nose in like the 3-ish. Like, it did not perform on me. Okay. And your experience could totally be different. You could totally be looking at me like, sis, what are you talking about? What is going on? And I have exfoliated. Please don't go there with me. I exfoliate. I do all of those things. I put the oils with it. I did all of it. Okay. It just did not last long for me. The smell, amazing. Okay. Packaging, amazing. The projection, not so much. It just did it. It just did it. And so I did not want to do a separate video on my thoughts, but I wanted to come to my family and let you know, like, I was very disappointed because I haven't really reached for this. And I was like, okay, I'm putting this on my tray. I'm going to reach for her. Yeah, no. Okay, I did not. But I will say, I did do a combination, and it was a body spray, and it was Sol de Janeiro 59. So I put these together because I still wasn't getting projection in this, but this gave me a little more right? A little, like, the pairing of it was like, okay, let's work together. But it didn't last the way I wanted it to last. But this is also a really good fragrance mist, fragrance spray. If you're looking for one, this is so good. Very good vanilla in this. This combination is everything. But I just wish the smell would have lasted a little longer. That's all I'm going to say about this, okay? You know, if you all have Minnie Mouse, let me know your thoughts, you know, because I love, right, the original, right? We get this strawberry whipped cream type of action going, like, that one lasts. Like, I've gotten compliments off that one. This one? Yeah, no. I don't know. So if you've had a different experience, let me know. If you've had the same experience, let me know. I would love any of your thoughts. But that was mine. I was so like, why are we here? So that's all, family. What fragrances were you rocking on your tray? You know I would love to know. I want to be nosy. So put it in the comment section, okay? Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you had a good laugh with me. Make sure that you subscribe. Be good to yourself, family. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, let them know. Your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.